got love, we got fam, we got dreams to chase. We stay fly, we stay strong, always moving in faith. Jeremy holding it down, Jocelyn bringing that crown, Deuce and Janelle running around, and baby Jackson, prince of the town. I'm outside, yeah, we living real right. Marriage, travel, love, no denying. Hit that like, subscribe, come tap it, come along, let's ride. Allen family, we outside. Yeah. We outside, we outside, we outside. Allen family.
What's up, y'all? Happy Monday. Now, this is gonna be a rolling vlog. I'm not gonna put it out until pretty much like the end of May, but we are 80 days away from our next cruise, and this one is not gonna have a whole bunch of publicity, words, because it's a secret for the kids. Now, if you all know, I always use like the little widgets on my phone for my cruise countdowns, and Deuce saw my widgets and he was like, well, are we going on any of those cruises? So I lied and I said no. But the next one they're actually going on, it is a 4-day cruise on the Carnival Sunrise. It's going to Nassau and Half Moon Cay. And it's a Mother's Day cruise. We will literally be on the cruise on Mother's Day weekend. I'm so excited. But the kids will not know about it. The plan is, if everything goes well, is our flight does not leave until 5 o'clock in the evening. So the plan is to get the kids an early dismissal from school and daycare. And just be like, they're going to be like, well, what are you doing here? It's early. And be like, yeah, we're going on a cruise. That's the plan. The hardest part is going to be to try to pack without them noticing that I'm packing. And then just making sure that nobody else spills the beans. Nana and Papa are going, so that's going to be another surprise aspect for them. But yeah, just basically trying to keep this one a secret and keep it under wraps. But we're 80 days away from it. And I just decided I'm going to do a little rolling vlog of stuff that I'm doing to get ready for it. And then the end result of this vlog should be showing their reaction to it being a surprise cruise. So today, at 80 days away, this is my binder from the Love and Football Cruise. Y'all like this? I designed this. This is cute. But is to update my binder with a new sheet. It's a Mother's Day cruise, so I'll do like a Mother's Day theme cover and start printing out my stuff. I know I can't do my documents and stuff until 2 weeks before, but I can at least be printing out my confirmations for like the hotel and the flights and all of that type of stuff as it comes in. At the post office for passports today.
She had her for me.
I understand.
Good morning. It is 70 days till the cruise, and yesterday was absolutely amazing. I had already purchased our flights because it seemed like the prices were starting to jump up. So I said, let me go ahead and get these flights. I got them maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And then Southwest sent an email saying that they had a sale going on, and it included April and May travel. So I went on there and checked. Southwest, they can never make me hate you, because the fact that there are no change fees, of course, on top of that, the 2 bags fly free per person. So, if you want to be technical, we could take 10 bags. We're not taking 10 bags on a 6-day trip, but you get what I'm saying. But no change fees, and they will issue you a credit if your price does go down. So our total now For 5 round-trip tickets, $750. And the difference of what I paid will be a credit. And I'll have that. We still got more trips for the rest of the year. I got a solo trip. Jeremy got a solo trip. We got a trip at the end of the year. So that will be used. Remember I said Southwest, nobody can make me hate Southwest? Yeah, well, Southwest is making me hate them. So yesterday, I'm sure you all saw it all in the news that Southwest is changing their policy. No more free bags. They're going to start charging for bags. And there's a whole bunch of other different policies. I made a short about it. But yeah, Southwest is on my shit list now. The good thing is that these new rules apply for any tickets purchased on or after May 28th. So since I purchased these tickets weeks ago, we're in the clear. So we don't have to worry about paying for bags for this trip. But yeah, any tickets that I purchased after May 28th, we're going to have to start paying for bags. Like I said in my Facebook post, like I said in my short, any airline can get it now. We are 38 days away, and all of the kids now officially have passports. They were all ready at the same time, but the post office delayed. So I got Deuce's today. Janelle's came on Friday, and Jackson's came on Saturday. So 3 different days of delivery, but officially at 38 days, everyone in the house has a passport. We're finally at the 2-week mark. We were able to check in, print all our boarding passes. It's almost that time. 9 days away from the cruise. So, I don't think I mentioned this, but I am a part of the cabin gift exchange for my sailing. I actually coordinated everything and got the groups and stuff together. So these little cards are going to go in my little gift bags. So it says Carnival Sunrise, cabin gift exchange, and then on the back, happy cruising, and then to subscribe to my channel. You know, I always got to do that little promo in there, you know. 7 days left. Get you a sister like Edna who know how to design and make magic happen. I saw this design on Etsy and she just ran with it. So these will be worn for embarkation day. And it's cut off on the kid side, but it says, ain't no family like the one I got. You getting there. You ready? All right. Turn around. Ooh, uh-oh. Turn around, girl. Ooh, you cute, girl. My turn. Back in action. Got my ponytail. I had a ponytail for Love and Football, so I love that it's up. I can wrap it around and do a little bun action for Elegant Night. But I'm ready. I was free. Granted, I do have to work from home tomorrow, but I ain't gotta see this place for a week. I'm free. All right, it's the day before we leave. I told y'all this has been the hardest task ever to pack secretly, and I'm so glad that I strategized and worked from home the day before so that I can get it all done. So this suitcase is the kids' suitcase. So one side is day wear, one side is night wear. And I normally split up suitcases and mix stuff up in case something comes up missing. But when I did that the last time, it was so damn stressful trying to figure out what was in what suitcase. So at least I know now everything is in one suitcase. And Southwest, just get my stuff, get my baby stuff there safe and sound. So, pajamas on one side, swimwear is in this pile, slides and Crocs on this side. This side has toiletries, baby wipes for Jackson, big old travel bag that has disinfectant wipes, disinfectant spray, room spray, poopery, bed bug spray. You name it, it's in there. So that's my travel bag. And then there's a swim cap down here for Janelle, beach bag down here. Blankets for the kids. I like them to always have a blanket so they can have it on their bed. Towel clips. I actually got wine down there in these bags. Our 2 bottles of wine. Kind of got them protected by the blankets. Hopefully it gets there safe. Water shoes for each kid. Plenty of diapers for days. Water bottles for the kids. This right here is Mr. Penguin, as we affectionately call it in my house. That is Janelle's nebulizer machine. No, I don't plan on using it, but I'd rather have it and not need it than to need it and then be in the medical center. And then this suitcase is full of all of me and Jeremy's stuff. Daytime, nightwear. Still packing my makeup bag. And then, you know, all that boring adult stuff. But yeah, I'm getting it together. This is the latest I have ever packed. This suitcase was pretty much done ahead of time. And yes, I do have macaroni and cheese. Look, we are landing at 9 o'clock at night. And they will have food and stuff that we're bringing on the plane. But in case, for y'all that know my kids, they're going to be like, Mommy, I'm hungry. We're staying in one of those suites that have the kitchen. Mommy will be whipping up some spiral cheesy pasta. So, yeah, this one was pretty much done ahead of time. I was able to get this one done secretly, but trying to run around and get everything else done was tedious. But it's done now. We leave tomorrow. All right, y'all. It's about 11 o'clock. Kids are knocked out. They've been knocked out for about an hour or so. About 2 hours, actually. So, this time tomorrow, they'll be asleep in Miami. Oh my God, it's finally here. I have been holding this secret since December. Oh my God, do you know how many times I almost let it slip? Jeremy, Nana, Papa, Veronica, everybody. It has been so hard because as a family who cruises, we're so used to talking about it. So it's finally here. I can't wait to see their reaction. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. The next cruise vlog that you'll see will be travel day. It'll be their reaction. I do have a few vlogs that are gonna come out while we're gone. But like I said, the next cruise vlog will be travel day and you all seeing their reaction. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.
Yeah, we outside.